Hello graphic designers, in this tutorial you will learn how to create this beautiful gold text effect in Photoshop. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. The steps are simple and easy. First, create a new file. Width is 1600, height is 800 and resolution is 72. Now make sure your background color is black. Press Ctrl+Delete to fill black color. Open Type tool. Font is very simple. Times New Roman. Style is bold and size is 72. Press Ctrl+T to increase its size. Adjust in center and click OK. Press Ctrl+J to copy. Go to Layer Style icon and add Gradient Overlay. Blend mode is normal. Note these color codes for same effect like mine. You can also save this gradient. Name your gradient and click on New. Angle is 90 and scale is 100. Now add bevel and emboss. Select Inner Bevel in Styler. Depth is 170. Angle is 130. Select Double Ring Contour in Glass Contour. Size is very important when you increase it. It will give a 3D gold effect inside. Next, add Inner Glow. Blend mode is Multiply. Note the color code. Size is 70, range is 50 and click OK. Now select First Text Layer. And add stroke from Layer Style icon. Size is 8. Position is outside in blend mode normal. Select Gradient from Fill Type. In Gradient Editor select your saved gradient. Style is reflected. Again add bevel and emboss. Select Stroke Emboss in Style. Depth is 100. Also check contour option, then add outer glow. Blend mode is screen. Select the same color as inner glow. Size is 57, and click OK. Now hold Alt and click on Create New Layer. Name this layer as Sparkle. Open Brush tool, select Crosshatch for brush, and create little sparkles where you want. I have also made a video on how to create sparkle in Photoshop. You can watch it to create your own shape like this. If you like this tutorial, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.